Hey guys, we're back again and I'm going to show you an in-depth eyebrow tutorial. So right now I'm going in with my LA Girl Slim Shady Brow Pencil in Blackest Brown, and what I do is I do like a little outline of my eyebrow first. So I'll start with the bottom and I'll line up the bottom and then I'll fill it in from the beginning. Well, not all the way from the beginning, just the part where I have the most hair. Yeah, I'm sorry, I broke my pencil. This is smidge. That's another thing. When using these pencils, try not to take out too much of the pencil. It's like a little twisty thing, but try not to have too much product out. Just have like a centimeter of the pencil out. But what I do is I'll fill in my brows, and once I fill them in with like whatever I have, I'll outline the top and connect everything together because, you know, I have tails. I don't have, sufficient eyebrows. Listen, I don't know what happened, but, I fill it in, and this is what we get. So then I'll go back in the beginning, since I have sparse hairs there in the beginning and the end of my eyebrows, but you don't want the beginning of your eyebrow to be too thick. So what I do is I'll draw like little fake hairs and make like a little shadow. And I'll draw like these little single sparse hairs, to make it look as natural as possible. And I make sure the ends of my eyebrows are dark because I have tails. So, yeah. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Conceal, and this is in the color Toffee, and I underline my brow to make sure, it's crisp because it's going to get crunk. And I'll just highlight the brow. But when I do the top of my brow, you're going to notice that I don't do the whole entire top part because I haven't found a concealer that's a little bit lighter than me to like my liking. So this is what I got right now, and I don't like having that little halo at the top of my brow when I put my foundation on because the concealer is really thick with product. So no matter what foundation I use to cover up the concealer that's at the top, it's still going to be like a little halo there. So a trick or a tip for that is sometimes for the top part of my brow, I'll conceal. Well, I wouldn't say conceal because I don't use a concealer, but I'll just use the foundation that's on my face and I'll put it on the top part of my brow so I won't have that halo there. But here I just did the tails because I was going to do my little natural makeup look that'll be up in a couple of days. So I only did the tails so I wouldn't have that halo, but this is the eyebrow look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was easy and simple for you guys.